Hi everyone, Damsels in DIY here.
Today we're going to be making these heat cut flowers.
These are very simple to make, and they can go for lots of different things that are accent pieces, like on dresses, fake bouquets, on different hair things, whatever you want. They're super easy and fun to make, so let's get started. To make these flower appliques, you will need scissors, a smooth glass cutting board, a heat knife, non-slip carpet mesh, a beading needle, skewer stick, knitting needle, or any hard straight object to hold things together, wide acetate florist ribbon, polyester, acrylic, or acetate fabrics, organza material or other materials that are able to be heat cut, tiny rope, beads, and printed flower templates. This tutorial uses our fabric heat cutting technique. Look for a link in the description to find the video that teaches you how to do this. To make these flowers, first take your printed flower templates and cut them out. Next, take the organza or ribbon you want to use and place it down on the glass. Take the pattern piece you want to cut, put it on top of the fabric, and place your stick on top of the pattern piece to hold it down. Then take your heat knife and carefully cut out the pattern. You can do this with multiple pieces of varying sizes and stack them on top of each other before the next step. Thread your needle and choose some beads. With your flowers stacked together the way you want them to sit, start hand sewing the 3 pieces together at the center while also adding beads. This will act as a lovely centerpiece for the flower. And it is as simple as that. We are in the middle of making our rose gowns right now, and these can be used to accent making your corset all fancy or the bottom of the skirt or whatever you want with that also. So as soon as the weather clears up, we'll get back on that as well.
Thanks so much for watching.
See you next time. I win. And these are actually really great ways to decorate like your corset and your dress, just to get a whole bunch of different pops of colors on it. Or your face, or whatever you want. I don't want to grab that one. I almost put it up your nose, but I was like, I can't do that. That's not okay. Boundaries.